Reed. Sa pamamatnuban muli, inyong lingkod, Dinang Marifel C. Ibenyo. Jess Clay E. Anzures. Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Nick Kid Award, at Batang Manunulat Award. Zach Joseph R. Carbonell, Cheerful Soul Award, Nick Kid Award, and Quantum Leap Award. Prince Jordan B. The Seagull, Young Singer Award, Kayako Award, and Tenacious Striver Award.
Kaya mo na dalawa ulit.
Sylvester Rain C. Dator, Sunshine Award, Kinder Curious Award, and Budding Mathematician. Mateo M. Delfino, Honest Kid Award, Disciplinado Ako Award, and Golden Heart Award. Mateo Zandro C. Delia, Last Champ Award, Kinder Body Award, and Tenacious Striver Award. Christopher Robin R. Galo, Extra Miler Award, Honest Kid Award, and Disciplinado Ako Award. Sean Yusef Z. Samsona, Naturalist Kid Award, Brave Soul Award, and Star Reader Award. Georgia Marie A. Abelgas, Batang Maasahan Award, Batang Manunulat, Cheerful Soul Award. Joyce Desiree P. Basilides, Golden Heart Award, Patience Advocate Award, and Honest Kid Award.
I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, but I wish
Leon Natalie R. Caro, Self-Care Star Award, Patience Advocate Award, and Golden Heart Award.
you're not a voice. It's just ringing in my ear, and if I heard you, I'm spoken for, I fear everyone I
Rachel S. Carrion, Determined Kid Award, Courteous Kid Award, and Out of Your Shell Award.
Show me something new, and afraid of what I'm risking if my father.
Kirsten Gabriel F. Cleophas, Exuberant Heart Award, Sparkler Award, and BCB Award.
There, do you know me? Can you feel me? Can you show me?
Ryan Emily C. Evangelista, Matapat Award, Peacekeeper Award, and Batang Magalang Award.
I've never felt so certain. All my life I've been told.
Amira Gimpes,
But I
Extra Miler Award, Enthusiastic Learner Award, and Sunshine Award.
I have always been so different. No, the rules did not apply.
Asha Aria S. Isidro,
I find
Prudent Worker Award, Tenacious Striver Award, and Ambassador Award.
I'm no longer trembling. Here I am. Voice that comes from
Princess Jasmine M. Bovero, Kaya Ko Award, Happy Helper Award, and Contributor Award.
Show yourself. Let me see you.
Aubrey Elia M. Lovia, Friendly Neighbor Award, Batang Masigasig Award, and Sparkler Award.
Yan na siya, babalik. Yan na, babalik siya.
Ishaila Natania R. Maniego, Collaborative Kid Award, Kinder Leader Award, and Happy Award. Kiana Star B. Padilla. Tiny Tidy Award, Batang Manunulat Award, Awesome Artist Award, and Peacemaker Award. Sofia Edna B. Rojas, Batang Manunulat Award, Artistic Hands Award, Team Leader Award, and Matapat Award.
Look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Wonderful things surround
Maxine Elise P. Santico, Eager Beamer Award, Little Teacher Award, Star Reader Award, Graceful Dancer Award,
words where to take it from me. Up on the shore they were
and Awesome Artistic Hands Award.
while we
Muli, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang mga nagsipagtapos mula sa Feeder Green.
hear all the fishes happy and off through the waves they
Maraming salamat po sa matagumpay na paggawad ng katibayan ng pag-angat at mga natatanging parangal sa ating mga kinder completers. Masigabong palakpakan muli para sa ating mga Clen completers.